Okay, so you have a corporate office and you want to know how you can keep it clean. Here's some helpful tips. Let's start with the restroom. First, you're going to check to make sure all items in the restrooms are fully stocked. For example, toilet paper, hand soap, Seafold, trash liners, and personal hygienic products such as sanitary napkins, wipes, or seat covers. The restroom can get really messy. You want to ensure that you disinfect the walls and the surrounding area of the toilet, as well as the toilet handle and other surfaces. Use a disinfectant. Don't forget to mop the floors and place your wet floor signs down to ensure the safety of the guest. From the restroom, we're going to move on to the kitchenette. Now, these areas in the kitchen are really important. They accumulate a lot of debris. For example, the microwave has to be wiped out thoroughly. The toaster oven has to be cleaned on the interior as well as emptying out the tray. Don't forget, look in the refrigerator for any spills of milk or any other items. Is there a tabletop in the kitchen or counter? Clean and disinfect the counter, empty out the coffee machine, as well as sweep and mop the floors. Don't forget, place your wet floor signs down before you begin mopping. Also, empty the trash bin. Look at the baseboards. Have they accumulated a whole lot of dust and debris? If so, use a feather duster or a microfiber cloth to clean them. Let's move on to the conference room. In the conference room, there's going to be a desk along with tables and chairs. Don't forget to empty the trash bins. Maybe there's a TV and a projector that needs to be dusted or computers. Clean each area thoroughly with the appropriate cleaning agent. Do you have a training room? Okay, maybe the training room is filled with tables and chairs or computers and computer screens. Don't forget to dust the monitors as well as the desk and the surrounding areas. Empty the trash bins and vacuum. Make sure each desk does not have any remnants of coffee or other spills. The reception area tends to be a very high traffic area. Ask yourself, what am I looking for? You're looking for fingerprints on glass surfaces, coffee stains, and food particles placed throughout the facility. Use your broom, mop, or vacuum to clean the floors thoroughly. Empty all trash bins and remove any coffee spills from desk, countertops, or other surfaces. Don't forget, pay attention to windowsills and use a feather duster to lightly dust the surrounding areas as well as the baseboards. Now, when you enter an office building, you may be responsible for the lobby, which could include the elevator. Remember to clean the glass door on both sides in the lobby. Don't forget to vacuum. Place your wet floor signs down, and if there is a table and a trash bin, clean the table thoroughly and empty the trash bin and replace it with a new liner. As you begin to walk over to the elevator, disinfect the knobs. Make sure you're using the appropriate cleaning agent not to cause damage to the elevator or any buttons that may be electrical. If there's a carpet placed in the elevator, vacuum that carpeted area thoroughly. Wipe down the handrails and any other surfaces. Use the appropriate agent based on the surface texture of the elevator. Each facility has their own trash rules and/or requirements. Be sure to follow with the building manager to ensure you're meeting the expectation for trash removal from the building and how the trash should be disposed, as well as the daily cycle of the trash disposal. Let's not forget the janitorial closet or the area where your supplies are kept. Are you responsible for cleaning that area? If so, make sure you thoroughly clean each surface, and if you are responsible for ordering supplies or updating the company of supplies, ensure you have a weekly maintenance check of what supplies are running low or what supplies have to be replenished.